We decided to go with the Cilek kids room car bed, and it's been amazing. The moment we set it up, his face lit up. He couldn't believe he had the coolest room on the block. Not only does the car bed look awesome, but it's also incredibly comfortable. He actually looks forward to bedtime now, which has made our nighttime routine so much smoother. We spend more quality time together in his room, and it's because it's his favorite place to hang out and play. What really sold us was the focus on safety. Cilek kids room designs are very detailed and child-friendly, giving me peace of mind that he's safe while having fun. If you're looking to create a space where your child's imagination can soar, I highly recommend checking out Cilek kids rooms. It's been a wonderful experience for both of us.